Diyos ko, Ginoo, Lord! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Charot! Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. So for today, I'm somewhere in Rizal. I didn't. Take two. I'm here somewhere in Laguna, Mabitak. Pila naman to ka steps? Sus ko, Ginoo, makahalok naman. So today Saturday, July.
What?
January the 6th. Oh! January the 16th, and we are here in Mabitak, Laguna. So we're somewhere in the middle of the forest. Daw. So this is just a quick getaway. This is just a very quick getaway kay ano sa mga stress sa atong mga kinabuhi. So we're walking down the stairs. It's like 150 stairs, they say. They say.
Hello guys.
Oh, pagkaway ito pero.
Welcome to my...
Sa panaw kay ganaog tagihang ako. So, namin din kayo chill. And yeah, we'll see. Get on with me until tomorrow. We are going somewhere kaya mapalit mi og saging. Adel, ayos kasi So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16. 18, 19, 20, 21, pa. 1, 2, ay 40. 41, 43, 44, 5, 46, 47, 50. So, yun na nga guys. We're in Mabitak, Laguna. This is just for the weekend and then we're gonna go home tomorrow. But it's a good thing that we're gonna kind of like breathe some fresh air. Because we've been inside the house. Well, not literally inside the house. We've never been to this kind of place before. So it's kind of like a new environment, or you know, something like a new. Uy, puti ko dun ah. Parang bago siyang ano ba, bago siyang lugar, bago na kaya makabalo na kayo ng pimbo. Yeah, we're just gonna vlog whatever is gonna happen here, and then you know, yeah, samahan niyo ako, and then we'll see. Ang puti-puti ko dito. This is so beautiful, my gosh. Wow. That is so wow. Oh, there's the windmill. Yeah. Oh no, that's the post yata. But yeah. So we are now going to the Dalandan Orchard. Dalandan Orchard. Ito. So, maadto may karon sa Dalandan Farm. But Dalandan Farm, we are going to harvest ang dalandan. Wala mong guni sa amo na inorante mi. Yeah. Living the provincial life. Eh? Amo guni. Feel free to roam my hacienda. We're currently in Wa May Kabalo. Ganyan na mag-uwi ng Wa May Kabalo, pero excuse me. Where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Just a quick update. Gabi na po. And we've been doing some cooking for dinner. We're gonna have like budol. Yeah, budol. We're gonna have budol. So yeah, we're just preparing downstairs, and we're gonna eat in a bit. Then I don't know what's gonna happen for the rest of the evening. We're just gonna chill maybe, I don't know. But yes, I'm gonna show you what we've cooked and prepared for tonight's dinner. So thank you so much for giving me this video. Keep on watching. Good morning na po guys. So we just had our breakfast for today, and then maybe later we're gonna go home already. So yeah, this place is just so effing beautiful. See that? I'm not sure if you can see that. I can see it myself. But yeah, it's just so beautiful, you know. Every morning, ito ba naman makikita mo every morning? So yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen the rest of the day, but we'll see. That dog, its name is No Name. Hi, No Name.
Pag magguba na God, no, it only proves one thing. That you're so strong and big. Sige, God, kaya mo yan, God. Go, 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 go. Tsaka.
Hey! My God! Ate! Oh my God!
Yeah.
Oh, pero pamigyan! Oh, Jesus Christ!
Sige, tara na ito. Di ba ka mabuot?
Yeah, one!
2, 3, go.
No, yung ulo ko.
Video pa more. Sa vlog. Hi guys. Kasi nga nanin lang haton. Masikil daw yung panit anak kay ano ka. Dala manhid. Asa matapay mo na rin mga dugo mga inday. Kaya po mga tawa na mo.
Hoy, taas ka, abot ka.
Tamis ko na?
Oo. Ayun.
Hindi, bro. Meron lang kami na ako. Tamis!
Sa mo yung palatsuho naman tayo ah. Namayos na?
Amazing.
So, we are going downstairs. We're going over there. Over there. Because we are going to buy. Guys, so I think I'm just gonna end my vlog here. Okay, later on we're just gonna go home and then yeah, nothing's gonna happen that much. So might as well end the vlog here. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, and comment down below. And yes, we're gonna do a shout out later or on my next video. Thank you so much, and yeah, this is just so amazing. I can't wait to go home. So sige, hoy!